Hey guys, welcome to our videos. None other than your Joseph. At last, we have the Samsung Galaxy J6 4GB RAM 64GB variant, guys. In this video, I'm gonna unbox it and a quick review. Guys, let's stop our talking and let's get to the video. Here is the box of Samsung Galaxy J6, guys. It says Samsung Galaxy J6 64GB RAM variant. It says J6 Infinity. It has an infinity display, means AMOLED display. In the right side, you can get the price mentioned is here is 18,000 approx, but it's not 18. I bought it for 14,500 rupees. In the online segment, you can get it for right now 13,000 rupees. Here it has a quick specification. It has a infinity display, 13 megapixel back shooter and 8 megapixel front camera. It has a fingerprint scanner, guy. More information down, it says AMOLED display. It has a 5 inches of AMOLED display, 5.0 inches AMOLED display. It has 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and the processor is based on 64 bits. For the processor, more information links will be in the description. I don't know exact processor. I think it's 425 Snapdragon 425. It has a Snapdragon 4 processor, but it's not too powerful for the price, but it contains still Snapdragon 425, and it says 3000 mAh of battery and a face unlock feature, and it's made for India, and it's dual SIM. You can put 2 SIMs and 1 SD card inside it, 2 micro SIMs and 1 SD card inside it. And here I am. Let's open the box right now. Here I am using a USB light to open it. I don't have something sharp to open. Near me it is only the sharpest thing. That's why I'm using this. Here we go. It's coming. Here it came. It says only Indian SIMs, means you must put first a Indian SIM before using it in another SIMs. First you must use an Indian SIM for that. Here we go. Here is the box. It says here is the Samsung Galaxy J6 4GB RAM 64GB variant. I ordered it in gold color. You can get it in black and blue also, dark blue. Links will be in the description to buy. I think the across current price in the market on Amazon is 13,500. Amazon and Flipkart link will be in the description, and you can get it the phone in offline also nearby Bajaj Electronicals or IKEA. You can easily get the phone easily there on your nearby shops also. I think the prices will be a little bit 500 to 1000 different from the online segment. I prefer go with online. Here is the quick inserting manual, quick start guide. It has some information how to start it. It holds a little bit more heavy information. Usually Samsung gives in English, Hindi, so many languages, 4-5 languages, and a warranty card also. I don't know why. And here we go down. Here we get my SIM remover. The back is metal. That's why we are getting a SIM tool to remove the SIMs and insert the SIMs. Here we go. This is the Samsung charger. It has a 5 volt. It is 5 watt 1 amp charger. It's not a fast charger. It's a regularly based Samsung slow charger. Here is the phone has a micro USB port, guys. It has a micro USB port. Phone has, and you are getting a earphones, and this phone has a earphone jack also for information. It has a earphones they are including with the box. It's low quality earphones. I'm not preferring this earphones to use extendedly. It will damage very quickly, but still they are providing it for 13,000. I don't know why Samsung doing this. The quality of the earphones are very bad. Here we go. First let's put it all things aside, and here we have the phone itself. It has a 5.0 inches of AMOLED display, and its viewing angles are sharp. I just quickly rebooted it. Here we go. We are not getting a pre-installed screen guard also for the Samsung. Mostly at this price, other brands are giving the pre-applied free screen guard and case. Samsung is not including the both. And here is the main phone itself, guys. Here it has a 5.0 inches of AMOLED display. Here we go. Here is the phone itself. It has a 8 MP of front camera. It has a USB. Bottom side it has a micro USB and a headphone jack. Right side you got getting a on-off switch, on and off switch, and here getting your microphone. And upside it's probably plain, no IR blast or anything. It's not other. Here is in the other side you are getting a 2 volume rockers to change, and bottom side you are getting inserting 2 dual sims and 1 SD card. Back side you are getting a fingerprint and a 13 megapixel camera and Samsung logo on a metallic gold finished black pack color. On your front, I hope it has a Snapdragon 625. For the exact processor, link will be in the description. Go and check it out in official Samsung page, or I will be giving which processor it has in description. I don't know completely, but I think it has a Snapdragon 425. It is a good processor, but it is a little bit slow, and the processor range is for 44,000 to 7,000 market devices. They are still including it in a 13,000 phone. Here we go. It has, I removed just now IMEI number stickers. Let's quickly on it on. Here we go, we on it. Let's quickly get into the settings of this. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. The phone is running on Android 8.1 Oreo, but I don't know if it will get Android Pie update or not. Mostly Samsung devices never get a next update. That's why let's quickly check the information of the phone. Here is I opened settings. I'm searching for the about phone. Here is the about phone. It says Galaxy J6, some model number information, IMEI numbers, status, software up, look for some else. I know they are not telling it on Android, no. Here we go, let's check the internal specifications. Here is the Android version and some more information what it's running on. And let's check the other parts of the phone, how it's running on. Here I'm opening the fingerprint scanner and face unlock. I quickly add my fingerprint and the face unlock. The phone has the both fingerprint and the face unlock, guys. We can unlock with anything with fingerprint or the face unlock. I'm quickly turning it on. I'm quickly setting my finger to turn it on by my fingerprint. I will be testing on face unlock also. For the review of the internal review, link will be in the description. In that video I will say what are the cons and what are the pros and what are the cons, what is the best thing, what is the worst things of the phone. Means please go and check it out, link will be in the description. Here click on the I button for the video, guys. This, and it has the video contents of whole review. It's a very good video, please check it out. In that video I will be explaining what you should buy or not. Personally I say you are a Samsung fan, means go with this phone, but still you are a Samsung fan, I'm not preferring it for you also. It's not a good phone because of it has a Snapdragon 425 processor in it and a very old specifications without any sensors. It don't has a gyroscope sensor, speedometer sensor. It doesn't have any type of sensors. That's why I'm not preferring it. But you are a Samsung fan, you want only Samsung phone, means you can go for it. And personally, I'm not preferring it. I'm not against Samsung, but I'm not a I personally I don't like the phone for the price they're offering. I think the price they should put is 9,000 to 10,000 across. That is the correct price of the phone. Still in that price also I don't recommend the phone, but it's 13,500 nearly. I don't know exact the price. I'm saying 13,500. It can be lesser than 13,000 also. That's why link will be in the description. Go and click on the link for the more exact price. Amazon and Flipkart link will be in the description, guys. That's why here we go. We are testing it quick. It's quite a kite. See, it takes I think 1 to 2 seconds of time. It's not fast as other like Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 6 Pro, Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 6 Pro, like Realme 2 Pro. Not that much fast, but it is faster. It's okay, decent. I'm not preferring it's too faster, but for the price it's okay. It's for the price itself we can just say okay. I'm not complaining about the fingerprint scanner. It's okay, decent. I quickly add my face data also to unlock. Use the face unlock. How it works, guys? How my face unlock works? Here we go. I'm using my registering my face. It says 57%, 71, 85. Here we go. It's quite a fast. It takes nearly 10 to 15 seconds to register your face easily. Yeah, I'm turning it around. I'm turning it my side. I'm seeing it in. Oh, it's slower. It's really slow, guys. I'm not preferring it also face unlock. It's slow, and I'm seeing somewhere else also it works. I prefer the fingerprint is the better than more than the face unlock. Personally, I don't use the face unlock. You buy this phone means use the fingerprint scanner. Because the face unlock is too slow. I didn't realize also it's unlocked or not. I just swiped in to enter the password, but it automatically unlocked, guys. I'm not preferring it also to use. Personally, I don't like it phone for the price. Still, you are a Samsung fan, you are a Samsung follower, you like Samsung, you don't want any other phones, and your price is budget of the price is around 15,000 approx, means I say go with this phone. But the phone still has a very low advantages, but you are getting for the price some offers for 10,000 rupees, means you can go with this. And say link will be in the description for review. Personally, go with the review, guys, and say comment down below how is this new video and my new style. Comment down below. Thank you for watching our video. Thanking, signing off with Joseph. Bye bye.